Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am bringing you guys another what's in my bag video. So I believe the last one I posted was around Christmas time, so this is a updated what I have in my bag. So before I get into showing you guys what I carry in this little mini bag, I first want to show y'all like this nail polish that I have on my nails right now. So I am so obsessed with this nail polish, so I want to share with you guys what I have on my hands right now. So I actually received 5 gel polishes from Glam. If you guys don't know, I have worked with them maybe 2 times before in previous videos. So they sent me 5 of their School of Glam collection, and of course the first one I will be showing you guys is the one that I have on my nails, because this is by far my favorite in this collection. These are the nail polishes. So my favorite one and the one that I have on my nails right now is in Rocket. This is a silver gel polish, y'all. I absolutely love this color. This is actually my second time applying this color on my nails, because like I said, I am completely obsessed with it. I hope it's showing up on camera really good so y'all can see like a full color. Like I said, this is my favorite one. So this is the first shade they sent me. They also sent me another glittery shade. This is a purple shade in Hardcore. I also received the shade You're a Joke, which is this greenish color. And then the last 2 shades they sent me were Nice Instrument and Old School, and these shades are pretty similar. They're like a lilac, purple, and like a light pink. So yeah guys, those were the shades that Madam Glam sent me if you guys are interested in them. And they also carry so many beautiful vibrant shades. Also, I will leave their link down in my description box, so if you're interested, go ahead and check them out. So yeah guys, now let's get into what I carry in my bag. If you guys are not new to my channel, then I'm pretty sure y'all know I do not carry small purses or bags. I'm more into like the bigger purses, but sometimes, especially like on the weekends or if you're going out, you don't really want to carry a super big bag. So I have started purchasing more smaller bags, and I actually ordered this from Shein. So it's just like this brown cognac shade, super cute, super simple, but what I love about it is the gold strap that comes with it. So of course this is a crossbody, and I honestly would say this is a mini bag, because like I said, I'm used to carrying huge purses and this is super small to me. So yeah guys, this is the bag that I would carry out with me if I'm going out anywhere or if I'm running to a store. This will not be a bag that I would honestly wear to work, because like I said, I love big bags, but overall I absolutely love the bag. The quality is everything. I did not pay a whole lot for this bag, but it is good quality. I absolutely love it. Let's get into what I carry in this little mini bag. So let me give y'all a close-up of the bag first. It does have like this cute little print on it, and like I said, it does come with the gold strap as well. The bag is pretty plain. Being that it is a super small bag, of course I can't really carry a whole lot in here, so some of the things that I would carry in here would be essentials for me for that particular day. So yeah, so the first thing I have in here is of course a face mask. Y'all know the times we are living in. You honestly cannot go anywhere without wearing a mask, and you should not go anywhere without having a mask on, because I don't even have to say, but y'all know. So of course I have a mask in here. The next thing I have in here is of course hand sanitizer. This is one that you just like, you gotta have, whether you are carrying a purse, a book bag, or even if you don't have a bag, you need this in your car. So I just have like this little small hand sanitizer in my purse, because you have to stay you just have to stay cautious of everything that's going on nowadays. So yeah, I also have a, what is these called, like the Eos Lip Balms, and I have this in Tropical Mango, and I really love the smell of this. And I also have this little edge brush in here also. Like, I like for my edges to be laid down, so I just keep like a little small brush with me, so if I need it, of course I will have it with me. I also have some eye drops, and I'm pretty sure if you are not new here, y'all know I wear contacts and sometimes my eyes get dry. I just have this ultra high performing dry eye relief eye drops in here. This is definitely a must-have for me. I also have this cute little pen that has like a little diamond on the end of it. This is actually like a signature pen, because the pen is like super thin, so it's perfect for you signing or anything like that. But of course I just really like it because of the little diamond or rhinestone on the end of it. Super cute. I also have this little mirror, which also has a brush on it as well. I don't use the brush, but I do use the mirror, and this is what it looks like. And this is the brush that's on it as well. Like I said, I don't really use the brush, but if I did need it, I could use it. It's really cute, simple, compact, and it fits perfectly within a small purse. I also have some Aleve, just in case I get any cramps, if I get a headache or any type of pain. I have this in here just in case. I also have a pack of gum. This is Trident Tropical Twist, and I actually have not even opened this pack yet, but of course y'all know you need something in your bag or your purse, you know, if you go out to eat or you just feel like your mouth needs a refresher and you're out. Of course you need some gum or Tic Tacs or peppermint, anything like that. I also have, of course, my pepper spray, which I always keep with me. This fits perfect in this little bag because some type of protection you can't really fit in here, but this fits perfectly within this bag. So you should always keep some type of protection on you. So I have this. I also have like this cute yellow pen. I have my slick stick for my edges as well. This, y'all, is really good. I absolutely love it. Like I said, this is a slick stick. If you guys have not tried this before, I highly suggest that you try it because it really works. It slicks your hair down to a T. So I love to keep this on me, especially when I have styles that I have like my edges out and stuff like that. If I have like baby hairs or anything like that, to keep them in place, I love to go in with my slick stick or either my Murray's Edge Wax, but of course that would be too big to stick in here. So I also have, of course, some AirPods. I absolutely love these. I honestly only use these when I am at work on my lunch break, because I be trying to tune everybody out. When I'm on my lunch break, I don't want to be bothered, honestly. That's why it's called break for a reason. So I don't really like to be bothered when I'm on break at work. So I like to keep my AirPods on me at all times. I also have some cocoa butter, because who wants to be ashy? And especially when you're out and you use a whole lot of hand sanitizer. Using so much hand sanitizer can definitely dry your hands. Like, I experienced this 24/7, so I like to keep this little cocoa butter on me. I also have this cute little wallet, and actually, y'all, I got this from Shein as well. Super affordable. Actually, if you are interested, I will link both of these down in the description box. Like I said, they both were super affordable. Of course, they're from Shein, but I got this to go with this bag, and it matched perfectly. I absolutely love it. Of course, in here I just have like my ID, some cards, some cash, you know, whatever you keep in your wallet, that's what I have in here. next few things I have in here are a NYX Butter Gloss. This is in Ginger Snap. Absolutely love this shade. It's just like a super natural shade. Absolutely love it. And then I just have two little sample perfumes in here. This one, both of these are from Dossier. This one is in Oriental Cherry. It smells just like cherries. I absolutely love this. And then the last one is one that I always talk about, my all-time favorite from Dossier, Ambery Saffron. I have to keep this on me, like, y'all, like I said, this is my favorite one. So this is one that I reach for the most. So yeah, that was all I carry in this little small crossbody bag. On the inside of this bag is just black. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments, leave me some love down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.